Windows 11, Windows 11, Windows 11, Windows 11, Windows 11, Windows 11. हाय, दिस इज शिवम, वेलकम टू द टेक प्रश्न चैनल। आज हम बात करेंगे विंडोज़ 11 के ऑफिशियल अपडेट के बारे में। किन किन यूज़र्स को ऑफिशियल अपडेट मिलेगी, किन किन यूज़र्स को नहीं मिलेगी, क्या क्या सिस्टम रिक्वायरमेंट है, इन सब के बारे में बात करेंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ने अनाउंस कर दिए विंडोज़ 11 की डेट्स, जो कि लेटर पार्ट ऑफ दिस ईयर दिसंबर 2021 में या जनवरी 2022 से स्टार्ट हो जाएगा रिलीज़ होना ऑफिशियली। कुछ लोगों के पास ISOs आई हैं जो कि लीक्ड वर्जन हैं, तो मैं प्रेफर नहीं करूँगा कि जिनके पास भी लीक्ड ISOs हैं तो वो अपने इंस्टॉल करें विंडोज़ अपने सिस्टम में। प्लीज़ कंटिन्यू विद द विंडोज़ 10 जब तक कि ऑफिशियल रिलीज़ विंडोज़ 11 का ना आ जाए। तो हम बात करेंगे इस वीडियो में विंडोज़ 11 की। मिनिमम सिस्टम रिक्वायरमेंट की बात करें तो प्रोसेसर आपका 1 गीगाहर्ट्ज़ या उससे फास्टर होना चाहिए। आपके पास प्रोसेसर लिस्ट माइक्रोसॉफ्ट की वेबसाइट पे आपको मिल जाएगी, मैं लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी डाल दूंगा। सेकेंड रैम आपकी 4 GB या उससे ज़्यादा होनी चाहिए। हार्ड डिस्क स्पेस आपका 64 GB या उससे ज़्यादा होना चाहिए अपनी जिस भी ड्राइव में आप अपना OS इंस्टॉल करना चाहते हैं। सिस्टम फर्मवेयर की बात करें तो UEFI एंड सिक्योर बूट इनेबल होना चाहिए आपके सिस्टम में। साथ में TPM 2.0 भी आपके सिस्टम में होना चाहिए। मैं दोनों के बारे में डिस्कस करूंगा, TPM 2.0 एंड सिक्योर बूट इनेबल कैसे करना है, दोनों के बारे में बताऊंगा थोड़ी देर में। डिस्प्ले की बात करें तो हाई डेफिनेशन डिस्प्ले होना चाहिए 720p, और उसके बाद आपका इंटरनेट कनेक्शन एंड माइक्रोसॉफ्ट का जो भी अकाउंट आप यूज़ कर रहे हैं अभी अपने विंडोज़ 10 में, सेम अकाउंट कैन बी यूज्ड इन विंडोज़ 11 एज वेल।
In order to perform the compatibility check, you need to download two softwares. First is available on the Microsoft website, that is PC Health Check app, and second one is Why Not Windows 11, that is a third-party software. To download the PC Health Check, go to the google.com on your browser and type Windows 11, and then go to the first link which says upgrade to the new Windows 11. Then scroll down to the bottom of the page. You will see the check for compatibility window. It says that use the PC Health Check app to see if your current PC meets the requirement to run the Windows 11, and it's coming soon. I have downloaded this app earlier, so I was able to perform the compatibility checks. I will share the link in the description to download this application. The reason Microsoft took off this app from the website is that this app was not showing the correct results for the compatibility checks, and most of the latest PCs with the latest hardware not eligible to upgrade the Windows 11, which is really strange. Coming to the minimum system requirement, I have already told about the minimum hardware requirements. Once again, processor 1 GHz or faster, memory 4 GB RAM, storage 64 GB or more, system firmware UEFI secure boot capable, TPM version 2.0, graphics card DirectX 12 compatible. Okay. Now moving on to the second software that is required to do the compatibility check is Why Not Windows 11, which is a third-party software. The reason we are downloading Why Not Windows 11 software is that the PC Health Check app does not show the exact requirement for your PC to be release ready for Windows 11. This software is very useful to identify this thing. So in order to download the Why Not Windows 11 software, go to the google.com and then type Why Not Windows 11 download. Please go to the GitHub website link. Why Not Windows 11 is a detection script to help identify why your PC is not Windows 11 release ready. As you can see in the screenshot, this software performs the individual component compatibility check and show the result in green for passed component and red for the failed one. Now scroll down a little bit, download the latest stable release. Once these softwares are downloaded, PC Health Check app and Why Not Windows 11, we are ready to go. Let me show you how to install the PC Health Check. It is small software of couple of MBs and won't take much time to install. Once PC Health Check software is installed, please run the software. Now please click on check now. As you can see, it is showing that my PC is not compatible with Windows 11. But this software is not giving much information about why compatibility failed on the PC. Hence we will now run the Why Not Windows 11 third-party software. It will show the detailed information about the missing compatibility. As you can see, there is a red mark with the TPM version. Either it is missing or disabled in my system. So we need to enable it, and all other components are fulfilling the minimum requirement. So no need to worry about it. As you can see, the secure boot is already enabled, so no need to enable it. In case if it is disabled, you can go to the BIOS windows and enable it from there. Although your device may include a trusted platform module TPM chip, it doesn't necessarily mean that it is enabled by default. If it is not, you may need to enable it manually to use feature like BitLocker on Windows 11 or perform an in-place upgrade or fresh install of Windows 11. In order to check whether TPM is enabled or not on your system, please go to Run and type tpm.msc. The window shows TPM cannot be found on this computer. Verify that this computer has 1.2 TPM or later and it is turned on in the BIOS. Now I will show you how to enable TPM from the BIOS. Please go to the Security tab and select the TPM Embedded Security if you have HP laptop as shown in the video. You can go for the TPM settings on the other manufacturers. Now please enable the TPM on the BIOS. And save and exit. Now we will check again by running the PC Health Check app. After enabling the TPM, we can see that my device is now compatible to run the Windows 11.
Thanks for watching this video. Please stay at home, stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you.